Alright, here's some of the stainless parts. I'm not going to video all of it. It'd be quite a bit of it. I can show you some different stages of it. I took a magic marker and dotted these. I don't know if you'll be able to completely see them. We got several dents in these pieces. And what I do is I'll go through and hammer and dolly, clean these pieces, file them, everything I have to do to smooth them out. This is one that had a few dents in it through here, had a pretty good crease line in here. It's been filed, hammered and dollied all out, taken out to 600. This is the front piece that goes across right in front of the bottom of the hood, the windshield. It had a lot of gouges in it. It had a few big dents down through the middle of it. Several little dents like these. All of those were removed. All of it was filed and finished out real nice with the metal. And then it was hand sanded. Now it's been taken all the way out to 600 right now. We're going to take this all the way out to 3000 and sanding it and wet sanding it. And then it'll go to polishing stage. It'll come out real nice. This is the worst piece so far that we had with damage. It had a dent and a crease line here. All that's been worked out real nice. All it's been filed and put into place. And it's been the same way. It's been taken all out to 600 right now. And as you can see, it's really came out really nice. All the damage was taken back out. Oh, that tape don't matter, but you can see where it's been all worked on the inside through here and all into this corner. So that's about where it is. It's all right through here, had damage, had a big crease line in there and down through here. So it'll get finished out and final and cleaned and then all cleaned underneath of here and everything before we polish it. So that's where some of the stainless is. I'll come back on the stainless and show you as we're finished up. She wants me to do a couple pieces where it's show the damage as I do it through it. It just gets kind of lengthy. It is a little bit of time to work it all out. Alright, came back to the stainless pieces one more time real quick before I go to polish it. These have been sanded all down. Everything in this was filed out and smoothed out. I think I went over those a little bit before. This is taken out all the way to 600. This was taken out all the way to 1,000. Okay? This is taken out. By the time it gets to here, it's been taken out to 3,000. So, I'll go from this to the polishing stage, and it'll have a very, very, very deep, nice luster to it. So, when I'm all done, it'll carry a nice shine, removed all the dents in it. Several other pieces over on the table over there all ready to go. These move right along. I'm going to continue. Well, here's two pieces real quick. The one piece I have fixed all the dents in, and I have wet sanded it all the way out, and I'm ready to polish it. It has not been polished. That's as far out as it goes when you get down to final wet sand. The other piece, I have spotted all the dents in it with a magic marker. I've removed all the dents, and I'm just going to show it to you before I get started on it and give you a quick review of what it's looking like. This is the piece I'm getting ready to start on right now. I've done all the dents, and as you can see, it has slight scratches and stuff like that in it. Whoop. But I can go in pretty depth with this pretty nice way. So that is that piece. I fixed some dents there, down there, a couple in that corner. There was a big one along this end. And now I'm getting ready to start sanding around. File a little bit, I'll sand a little bit. And, that's my big bad guard dog. We're in here, everybody else is here. Here, let me zoom in on this piece. This has been wet sanded all the way out to 3,000. Once you go this far, it becomes pretty nice luster to it all, just the way it is. So you can see how nice it really turns out. If you put the time into it, it comes out real nice. That's one piece real quick before I don't open the door. That's some just polishing stuff at the end. Wet sanding switches. I'll show it to you when I start polishing it out. It just holds that luster and finishes it up. It comes out real nice. This is the other stuff that's all been sanded down. Getting ready to get into final sanding on that. I got a couple more steps to go, and I got quite a few other pieces to load up. Alright, here we are with a couple other pieces. This is still on the windshield trim. A bunch of the other parts have been done there. I'm getting ready to final buff them out. Well, it's still in the sanding process at this stage. Hey, hush! Sorry about that. She's all big and bad. Let me show you a couple of the dents in this. This is, I've marked the one, and you can run down it. I get to pick which one I'm going to end up using. But you can see that there's just dents all over it. I'm going to pick which one and start removing some of the dents, some of the old paint, and there's this one. That's a pretty good winger in there and there. It's got a few different things, some blemishes here. It's all workable. It's got another line to it. But you get an idea. I'll show you some of the pieces as I get them finished. All right. Just an amazing difference. That's all been sanded down. All the dents have been repaired in this piece. And that's the brother to the other piece. So I'm going to move on and take care of all this one. And get everything fixed in that, and then I'll show you when I'm all taken care of. stuff is turning out absolutely amazing. Everything's getting sanded out right now. That piece right there just looks just so beautiful. It's come out really nice. For if you would have seen exactly what was all damaged to that and focused this way. After the big dent in it, trying to get it all back to where it was, it just it looks absolutely perfect. This piece right here, just a little bit at a time, and everything will be really nice. Coming right along. I got a few other pieces over there already laid out. And things are coming right along, so I'll show you as I go, step by step. But everything's looking sweet. This piece right here just turned out beautiful too. That's just, God, it's just sweet as can be. Came out real nice. Here's the other pieces. They're all sanded out, ready to get polished. Take a quick run look at it. It turned out real nice. I think I've shown you in other things, but and then just all the dents, all of it, filed out, cleaned up, belted out of it, all ready to run on the wheels. And take care of that. Both these pieces have turned out really nice. Now, the owner did give me a real nice selection to pick from. We did take another car apart. We had a donor car, plus she had extra pieces. So some of the pieces are very difficult to find, and the front fender pieces where people have dented and damaged them over time, you just gotta hunt. But these parts are turning out very nice.